back, and now where the first movement of the camera is working, we want to get the next movement where we're gonna push the play button and it's gonna change to character select scene. So what we're gonna do is going into our script, and we will create a public void switch position camera, and it's gonna jump between numbers, so you're gonna have an index. So we're gonna start like this, and positions dot remove at 0. I'm just gonna write this, and then I'm gonna explain what it means. So index equal to 0, and then we're gonna write position dot add main menu point else curly brackets go positions dot add, and what did we call it? Main character selection point. There we go. This is the first part of the code. So we're gonna make a public void so we can access this function from another script that we're gonna make. That if we are currently at position 0, we're gonna remove position 0 and go to position 1, and if currently at position 0, we're gonna have this main menu point. So we're gonna swap between these 2 points. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into here, and over here we're gonna create a new game object and call it menu controller. So this will be our script holder for the controllers of the buttons and stuff. We're gonna create a new script and call it menu controller, and let it compile for a sec. When it's done compiling, we will put it on the menu controller. In this one, we will add the 2 buttons, play game and back, and later we will add the rest of the buttons. But in general, this is how we want it to work. So we're gonna say menu controller here, and as we can see, it's now on it. So we will go into it, and at first we're gonna remove the void start. Remove that, and we're gonna make a public let me see, game object, and these 2 objects we're gonna make now is like the button panel, so for opening that, and we will have the character select panel. So these are our 2 game objects, and also we're gonna have a private main menu. Oh, what did we call the other script? We called it menu camera motion. Okay, menu camera motion will be, and this one we call it main menu camera. No, I'm gonna call it the menu camera motion like this, but just with a capital M. And then we're gonna write void awake, which means right when we start the game it's gonna do this, and it's gonna say our menu camera capital M equals to camera main. So we're gonna go into our main camera and get component. What component you're gonna get? You're gonna get the menu camera motion. So this way it's gonna call. Now we can use this script with this script because we are getting the component here. So we're gonna have a public void play game. Oh, I did wrong there. There we go. And in this we're gonna write menu camera motion dot switch position camera 1. So this is calling when we push this button, we go into position 1, and our bottom panel will be set active false. So we're gonna close our button panel, and we're gonna open our character select panel and make it true, and we're gonna make wrong here. Oh, I forgot to write set active true. And then we're gonna make for the other button as well public void back button, and we're gonna write here menu camera, that's capital M, menu camera, switch positions, go to 0, and this is basic coding, so you can actually apply it to all the other buttons if you want. I'm just gonna have these two camera controls, and then the rest are just gonna open regularly. But we will see that later in some other movies. Okay, there we go. So this is all the coding we need, these two, and then we're gonna go into our game. And before we can use the buttons, we need to assign them. So we go into the bottom holder, find the play button, and there should be, it's compiling for a sec. It's done. Yeah. Down here on click, it's gonna take the menu controller, put in here, and we can call from the game object a function. Oh, from the menu controller, sorry. You can call play game, and on select we have here we go, and we have back to main menu. Put the menu controller in, select function, back button. So we need here to put in the button holder, and in here we need to put the character select panel, and let's see if it's worked. Probably the one point is set wrong, but let's try it out. So let's see, nothing really happening right now. No references to objects. Main camera. And it's probably because we haven't tagged our main camera as main camera. Save that. Try again. Okay, so here we go. This was the first thing created. Then we're gonna push the play button, and you're gonna jump over here, and we're gonna push the click the back, play, back. So we now can jump between these two scenes. So now we need to like create the rest. Yeah, this looks fine. And you can add more or change it as you please.